Hello! Welcome to Graceful Grammar Lessons. Vowels and Consonants. Understanding vowels and consonants is fundamental to grasping the structure of language, particularly in English. A typical English word will consist of a combination of both vowels and consonants. For instance, dog, consonant, vowel, consonant. Apple, vowel, consonant, consonant, vowel. Vowels. Vowels are speech sounds that are produced without any significant constriction or blockage of airflow in the vocal tract. In English, the letters that represent vowel sounds are A, E, I, O, U. Use an before words that begin with a vowel sound. There are short and long vowels. Short vowel sounds: cat, bed, sit, dog, cup. Long vowel sounds: cake, bee, kite, home, use. Consonants. Consonants are speech sounds that are produced with some degree of constriction or closure at one or more points along the vocal tract. Use A before words that begin with a consonant sound. The letters that represent consonant sounds in English include B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, and Z. Voice consonants: B, D, G, V, Z. Voiceless consonants: P, T, K, F, S. Rules for using a and an. Use an before words that begin with a vowel sound. Examples: an apple, an elephant, an igloo, an oven, an umbrella. Use a before words that begin with a consonant sound. Examples: a ball, a car, a doll. Vowel sounds versus vowel letters. The choice between a and an is based on pronunciation. For instance, an hour. The H is silent, creating a vowel sound, versus a historic day. The H is pronounced. Words starting with the letter U can be tricky. Use an for an umbrella, vowel sound, but a university. The U sounds like Y, a consonant sound. Special cases. Some words that start with vowels may sound like they start with consonants, such as a one-night stand. The O in one has a W sound. Similarly, words like an honor, silent H versus a hero, pronounced H, illustrate how pronunciation affects article choice. Acronyms and initialisms. Use an if the acronym starts with a vowel sound. An FBI agent. Use a if it starts with a consonant sound. A NASA mission. By focusing on the sounds rather than just letters, you can correctly apply a and an in your writing and speech. Don't forget to subscribe, share, comment, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss a lesson.